Hey David, how's your day going?
It's been a bit hectic, to be honest. I've been trying to finish this report, and it's taking longer than I expected. How about you?
I know the feeling. My day's been pretty busy too, but I finally got a chance to grab some coffee and take a quick breather.
That's good. I could use some coffee myself. By the way, do you have any tips for staying focused? I've been getting distracted a lot lately.
Oh, definitely. One thing that helps me is breaking my work into smaller tasks. Feels less overwhelming that way, and I can check things off my list more easily. Have you tried that?
Not really, but that sounds like a good idea. I usually just try to power through everything at once, but maybe that's why I get so exhausted by the end of the day.
Yeah, pacing yourself makes a big difference. Another thing I like to do is set a timer for short bursts of focus work like 25 minutes and then take a 5-minute break.
Oh, I've heard of that. It's called the Pomodoro technique, right? I've never actually tried it, though.
Exactly. It's simple but effective. The short breaks really help to refresh your mind before diving back in. Give it a shot.
I will. Thanks for the suggestion. What about you? What's been the most challenging part of your day so far?
Honestly, it's been juggling meetings. I feel like my whole day has been back-to-back calls, and I haven't had much time to focus on actual work.
Ugh, I can relate. Sometimes it feels like meetings just eat up all your time. Any strategies for managing that?
I try to block off certain times in my calendar for focus work. That way, I don't get pulled into too many meetings. It doesn't always work, but it helps.
That's a smart move. I might start doing that too. Otherwise, I feel like I'm always playing catch up.
Exactly. It's all about balance. Speaking of balance, do you have any plans after work to unwind?
I'm thinking of hitting the gym later. It's a great way to blow off steam after a stressful day. What about you?
That sounds great. I'm planning to cook a nice dinner and maybe watch a movie. I need something relaxing after this long day.
That sounds perfect. What movie are you thinking of watching?
I'm not sure yet, but I've been in the mood for a good comedy. Something light and funny.
Nice choice. A good laugh always helps. Well, I hope your evening is relaxing. Thanks again for the focus tips. Definitely going to try them out.
You're welcome. Enjoy your workout and let me know how it goes with the Pomodoro technique.
Will do. See you tomorrow.